In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme color of charts in MetaTrader 5. Whether you're trading daily or just keeping an eye on the market, customizing your charts can make a significant difference in your trading experience. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily modify the theme colors to suit your personal preference. The first thing you'll want to do is open up MetaTrader 5. Make sure it's installed on your computer and ready to go. Once you're in, locate the chart you wish to customize. Now, this could be a currency pair or any other trading instrument you're working with. You'll want to right-click anywhere on that chart. This brings up a context menu, which offers several options. Among these, you'll notice one labeled Properties. Select this option. With the Properties window open, you'll now have access to various customization features. Your focus should be on the Colors tab, which is where you'll make all the magic happen. Simply click on this tab. You'll be presented with a variety of elements you can customize as per your needs. Directly under the Color Scheme section, you'll see a list of elements available for tweaking. This is your playground, where you can change the visual appearance of the chart. One of the first items you might want to adjust is the background. Clicking on the background option will open a color picker, allowing you to choose a hue that resonates with you the most. You might prefer a darker shade for less eye strain, or a lighter one for a clearer view. But it doesn't stop there. You have the flexibility to customize other chart elements to match or complement your background. Look through the list and consider adjusting the grid, bar up, bar down, bull candle, and bear candle colors, particularly if you want these elements to stand out or harmonize more cohesively with the new background color. This personalization does more than just enhance aesthetics. It can aid in better readability and quicker analysis during trading sessions. Once you've made these selections, the final step is to apply these changes. Simply click on the OK button, and you'll see the new color scheme take effect immediately on your chart. Erasing the monotony of default settings, your chart now reflects your personal style and preferences, making your trading environment both functional and visually pleasing. And that's it! You've successfully customized your chart's theme colors in MetaTrader 5. With your newly personalized setup, you're all set to dive deep into market analysis with ease and efficiency. Enjoy the cleaner, more engaging view. And remember, a well-set trading environment can improve not just your experience, but your performance too. Happy trading!